Just before Thanksgiving, I sat down with President Bush at his retreat at Camp David, Maryland. We spoke about what's next for Mr. Bush, but first I asked the president to reflect on his time in the Oval Office. Let's talk a little bit about 8 years as being president.
Yeah.
What don't the American people know about being president? What would surprise them the most?
That's an interesting question. I think, at least from my administration, I think they'd be surprised at how our team has worked so closely together. Some days we're not so happy, some days happy. Every day's been pretty joyous, though. That when you have a purpose in life, that no matter what it may look like from afar, that we're a highly motivated group of people that are honored to serve. In other words, I think people look at the White House and say, oh man, what a miserable experience it is to be president. There's a lot of noise, a lot of criticism, a lot of name calling, a lot of this, a lot of that. But I think people would be surprised when they walked in the Oval Office and the White House to see a highly motivated group of people that really enjoy what we're doing.
What were you most unprepared for?
Well, I think I was unprepared for war. In other words, I didn't campaign and said, please vote for me, I'll be able to handle an attack. In other words, I didn't anticipate war. One of the things about the modern presidency is that the unexpected will happen.